Hello everyone. Welcome to ARASHA YouTube channel. We will show you nut-bolt metal sculpture photo videos. A nut-bolt metal sculpture refers to a three-dimensional artwork created from metal nuts and bolts. These sculptures can take various forms, such as animals, human figures, abstract designs, or functional items like furniture or decorative pieces. Characteristics of nut-bolt metal sculptures. 1. Material. Primary materials used are metal nuts and bolts. 2. Technique. Artists employ techniques like welding, screwing, or riveting to assemble the nuts and bolts into the desired form. 3. Form. Sculptures can range from realistic representations to abstract compositions. 4. Texture. The metal texture provides an industrial, rugged, or futuristic appearance. 5. Size. Nut-bolt metal sculptures can vary in size, from small decorative items to large public installations. These unique sculptures showcase creativity. A nut and bolt metal sculpture is a unique and thought-provoking art piece. Composed of intertwined nuts and bolts, the sculpture explores the relationship between industry and nature. The rusted metal patina adds an organic quality, while the deliberate arrangement of the hardware elements creates a sense of tension and balance. This sculpture challenges the viewer to reconsider the beauty in everyday objects and the intersection of man-made and natural worlds. Here are some usage ideas for a nut and bolt metal sculpture. 1. Decorative piece asterisk. Display the sculpture as a conversation-starting decorative piece in a living room, office, or lobby. 2. Industrial-themed decor asterisk. Use the sculpture to add an industrial touch to a room's decor, complementing exposed brick, metal beams, or concrete floors. 3. Garden or yard art asterisk. Place the sculpture in a garden or yard as a unique and eye-catching piece of outdoor art. 4. Office desk accessory asterisk. Use a smaller nut and bolt sculpture as a paperweight or desk accessory, adding a touch of personality to a workspace. 5. Gift or award asterisk. Present the sculpture as a thoughtful gift or award to someone who appreciates industrial art or has a passion for engineering or mechanics. 6. Restaurant or bar decor asterisk. Display the sculpture in a restaurant, bar, or cafe to create a memorable and Instagram-worthy atmosphere. 7. Event or exhibition centerpiece asterisk. Use the sculpture as a centerpiece or focal point for events, exhibitions, or trade shows related to industry, technology, or innovation. A nut and bolt metal sculpture is a unique and thought-provoking art piece. Composed of intertwined nuts and bolts, the sculpture explores the relationship between industry and nature. The rusted metal patina adds an organic quality,